bolts. One of these kind of shifted over. You need it right there. Dowel bolts like this, they just locate the casing. These basically don't get torqued at all. Torque spec is 1 foot-pound or something like that. Boom. Now I read online that the torque spec for this is anywhere between 30 and 40 foot-pounds on these. Mine said at 30 just because I'm not putting any sealant on them right now. I just need to make sure that everything rotates and works properly. So actually, yeah, I guess maybe I'll go like 35. There we go. Does she still spin? Yes, she does. Ooh, I fucked this up. Did I fuck this up? Yeah, I fucked this up. Shit. Alright, so put that in there, and that in there. I shimmy this off a little. Shit. No, don't do that. Sick. You wiggly bitch. Get in there. I'm sipping on promethazine. There you go. Okay. I didn't put the. What if I just sit them on with the impact? What the fuck? Do you think the promethazine guy is just fat for clout? Or do you think he's actually fat? I can hear it.